Ginanap niya, uy, Phoebe! I just to go with that
As students, we've been juggling a lot of different applications lately, from Google Search to study tools for paraphrasing and fixing our grammar, to note-taking apps for drafting our work, and then finally, pasting everything into a Word document. It can get overwhelming. But did you know there's a study tool where you can do all of this in one place? I recently discovered SciSpace, and honestly, it has helped me save so much time. I've been able to get a lot more work done in a day without constantly jumping between different tools. One update that I've been using a lot is that Word documents are now fully supported inside the SciSpace agent. And this is such a time saver because I can stay in one tool instead of constantly switching between different applications. The SciSpace agent can create a document for me, improve my writing, reorganize my work, or even customize the formatting based on what I need, all while keeping everything in one document. What I love most is the redline suggestions. Instead of just replacing my work with an AI-generated version, SciSpace shows me the changes it suggests. I can then choose whether to accept or reject each suggestions so I can keep control over my original work and actually see what needs to be improved. For me, it feels less like AI doing my assignment and more like having a tool that gives me a real-time feedback on my writing so I can improve my paper myself. Another feature I've been enjoying is the library, especially when I'm studying for quizzes. Instead of opening each transcript or study material individually every time I need to review, I can upload all of my study materials into one library and ask the agent to create a multiple choice mock exam based on them. That's honestly really helpful for me because I'm too lazy to make flashcards. Also, if there's a topic you don't understand, you can chat with PDF and ask it questions. It will answer you through the chat, almost like having a teacher there to explain the topic to you. So, if you're also getting ready for a new semester, preparing for exams, or working on a research paper, now is actually a great time to try SciSpace because they are currently running their biggest back-to-school sale. You can get 35% off plus 40,000 AI credits. You can use my discount code on the screen and I'll also leave my link in the description below.
Never heard. Bibili siya ng tatlong cats ng 600 square meters dito sa Lorena. Ba niya kung magkano per square meter dito? Mamili ka ako. Order mo. Seryoso ka ba? Kahit hindi ko kaya to. Masyado pang maaga. Basta, hindi. Kaya rin ako. Nakakarating ko. Ang layo ko talaga. Sinasabotage mo. Sinasabotage mo yung diet ko. Hindi na. Umuwi ka na rito. Pagkaya natin talaga. Disgrasya. Disgrasya. Eh kung anak ang kalagawa ng sugar. Ah, basta. Please. Oh, ayan. Dito as
Masarap siya, guys.
Sarap yung chocolate.
Alam mo, every time na nagbi-video ako, kumakain ako, no? Pansin niyo ba? Kumakain naman ako ngayon. Pero ang totoo, hindi ako nag-dinner and
Masakit ka. Katawan. Nag-offer daw. Alam mo kasi Rian kanina, ginising ako, tulog ako, para lang sabihin sa akin na magpapatats siya. Tapos yung gising niya pa sa akin, yung parang may lindol. Ginanap niya, uy, Vini, ano? Sabi niya, papatats na ako.
Pinamemorize ba yung objective?
Ako, oo. Sakto lang. Sakto lang na naalala ko sa nainte. First year. Halos lahat ng dinner ko, kaya minsan sa dinner ko na labas. Eh, hindi ka naman siya nag-dinner sa labas. Gusto ko kasama. Tinatakad ako. Pero, once naman, naglagyan ko sa loob. Either Delata or Brussels or...
Hindi na dala mo.
Tatlo yung dala ko. Sobrang yun.
So wala si Jazz.
Bakit?
Meron ba?
Meron
Dahil nga ako sa that it should be biocompatible and that can be absorbed. No toxic substances that can be absorbed by the circulatory system. Circulatory system. At saka sunog yun sa ano naman,
Kay Rian daw yung maliit eh.
Bigyan, ulitin mo nga yung ginagawa mo kanina. Para pa
O yan, last na.
imimix mo na. So, ayan, paghahalin mo na yung combine mo sila.
Dali mo nga, tapos pantatagal ko kay Rian.
Ano?
Sabi ko dali niya pantatagal ko sa'yo.
Sorry na ha.
Hindi na, wala lahat ng mabigat na gawain gusto gawin yun.
Ayan, gano'n na kaya. Ito muna. Para wala rin yung pictures.
Initial setting. Time. Kapag umakit yung time. Yung time yun. Kunwari yung temperature
Pwede ba ako
natin is
magulong?
nasa 15 degrees. Tapos naging 20 degrees siya. Ayun yung initial. Kailan siya naging 20 degrees? Ayun, sulat natin dyan. Next second na rise yung temperature. Tama.
Sige, sige.
Tapos kailan siya umakyat na? Kailan naman siya umakyat? So, susulat natin yung time.
Yung first time na akit siya, hindi. Tapos sa pangalawang second time yun.
Oo. Tapos, ano yung second decrease?
Okay, and maximum temperature. Tapos mag-start to
Yeah.
decrease.
Ilan
ganyan na. Starts to decrease.
Dito tapon ko.
Kapag yung lab ba, like, nire-record ko? Sige. Reading is 36. Tapos, yung initial time is 22. Initial time. Initial time is 36.
Yung
Start
naman, kamay mo yun.
is 000.
Ulit.
Isa pa sis. Okay, game.
Sige. Ihalo mo. So, na-mix na. Okay na. Ano?
Sabihin.
sakto dalawa na ako.
Mainly was not by age, though it theoretical. So, within the theoretical window niya, fusion aspirin. Okay Ilayo mo yung paa mo, like ito.
Ibigan tayo pero hindi ko makagatin. Bigyan dudutuan kita ng pork pero ito cornstarch. Ang galing yun yung pagkagatin. Master. Ay, hindi na ano pala. Wait. Then what's next?
Ito sa'yo na yun.
Sa amin, guys, if you're ready mo, wala akong ginagawin tayo.
30 seconds yun. Tapos tsaka mo haluin.
Oo, after that. Go. Sabi din niya sobrang tigas niyan. Go, as in talagang dapat smooth siya after. Ikutin niyo yung spatula. Like ganon.
Kasi may isang week man, 2 beses ko.
Ready mo na sa isang serve sa glass.
Wow.
Pwede mo gano'n. Yan. Saan yung isa mo? May glass lab ka ba, so? Na blank?
Where's your plus? Wala na akong house school.
Bali magpapalitan na kayo.